Hey guys, so we just want to show you our raised beds. We just made these today. Just took a couple tubs. We got these tubs for $1 yesterday at a thrift store. We have a couple more of there. Drilled holes out in the bottom and just loaded it up with our topsoil and getting our planters ready. And the most exciting thing is we got this little table and we got our umbrella. We got this umbrella yesterday at the thrift store too. Paid $4 for it. And we're gonna have our first breakfast out here.
Homemade almond milk.
Yeah, with homemade almond milk. See? So what we're having for breakfast is mangoes and bananas and oatmeal and coffee underneath our little umbrella.
Join me all.
Yeah.
I like it black with no sugar. You all should join me.
And this is our almond milk. I make it fresh out of fresh almonds. I think I still have that recipe up on my channel. And here's our compost. That it was a raised bed originally that we brought in here. It was left with the house, the wood frame. And so we dug, a big area. This goes really far down, really deep. And we put soil in it from when we started our gardens. And we keep putting our compost, like our fruits and vegetables and things in there. And over the year, it broke down and made some beautiful compost. And I put it in these buckets. And then he carried them over and dumped them in those big tubs. So now we're just going to have to get more soil, right, honey? To put in there?
Any kind of soil just to fill it up to hold some new garbage, which will break down again. Takes a few months to a year to break down, and the worms are your friends, so don't use them for fishing or anything.
Yeah. And
people import worms and buy them for that, but they were here.
So we're just gonna have breakfast, and I thought I would just film a little bit because it's kind of a nice moment of having an umbrella.
Oh heck yeah!
And not having to pay a big money for it.
And the way to do raised bed gardening without having to pay big money for wood, build it. You just get these tubs. You show them the holes.
Yeah.
You can't.
Well, I can't show the holes, but.
Tell them what you did.
Yeah, I did tell them.
Oh, did you?
Uh-huh.
You guys drill a lot of holes up with a big bit.
I put a big bit on my drill, and then I just
heavy.
made the holes. And then I have these. I might do an elephant ear in that purple one, or I may not. And then the clear one, I'm not sure what we're going to do with. But we looked at Walmart, and for a tub this same size, right here, they were like $22 or $23. But we got it for $1, right?
Right. Then we went to some other store and we knew somebody and she just gave us 2 more.
Yeah, we had a friend and that she had this little one at her store and she told us, she said, just take it. Okay. She didn't need it for anything. So there was this one and a clear one that we got for free. And the other ones, we have another clear one. Okay. So we got 3 more for $1 each. So that's how we save money. And maybe you guys, this might be a nice idea for you too. And yeah, you can grow things in it. We might put potatoes in there. I'm not sure what he wants to do, but
yeah, I'm gonna plant potatoes later. We got a big garden area that'll be a separate
yeah.
sometime.
So
now we also put in Miracle Grow, help some seedlings along that need a little out there.
Oh yeah, we miracle growed the garden a little bit.
We gotta do a little better.
So yeah, there's a lot of work that still has to be done, but it's coming along. I'll show you the peas. Okay, there's our peas. It's doing really good. I showed you before, but look at them coming up.
Little fact, legumes like peas get their nitrogen from the air. Learned that a long time ago. So less dependent on the nitrogen in the ground than other plants like these.
What were these?
Turnips.
Turnips. See, our turnips are coming up
beautifully.
too.
Got to thin them again. Radishes are coming up sporadically, but there's 2 rows of them here. And some stuff in between that probably got out of my hand wild when I planted. Took the longest time. I even think the carrots are starting to come up. You see here.
Oh, is those little carrots? Oh, how cute.
I see a definitive row here, and it's looking all the same there. And you can see these are carrots. They'll have to be thinned. It's about 1 inch, 2 inches apart. Finally, never grew carrots in the ground before.
I never did either.
Not here.
All right, guys. Well,
yeah,
I hope y'all have a nice day.
A little bit of what we're doing.
And there's our little umbrella.
Yeah.
Things you can pick up at a thrift store.
And I never would have paid.
And
what would we
I never
cost,
ever
80?
seen them really much at a thrift store, but it just happened to be that we were there yesterday, and the person, I guess, just brought it in. And it's in really good shape. This little handle, I guess it must have had a crank on it, but the crank was broken off, and I said, I don't really care because I can manually, open it and shut it from here. And it's only for outside use anyways.
And
So
it seems to be a universal fit, so we had this table
yeah.
with the hole in it, really. It's true.
See, and it goes right into the ground, so it won't, well, hopefully it won't blow away. We put it down when we're not under it. So, all right, we're going to go eat breakfast. Hopefully you guys all have a beautiful day. Don't forget to love yourself and love others. Like, share, and subscribe to my video or to my channel. And
hit the bell for more.
yes. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.